Let us see the use of break and continue statement in a loop in Python. Break statement is used to stop a loop and come out of the loop. That's all. The loop will stop and it will not continue. Suppose the loop is scheduled to be done 100 times, but in the fifth time you give a break statement. The break statement is executed in the fifth time. The loop will completely stop and it will come out of the loop and do the next statement after the loop. If it is a nested loop and you give a break statement in the inner loop, then it will stop the execution of the inner loop completely and go to the outer loop. Right? Now, what is the continue statement? Continue statement will stop the current iteration. What do you mean by iteration? This word is very important. It will not stop the loop. It will stop the current. Most of you tend to write continue statement will continue the loop. Of course, it will continue, but what? It will continue to the next iteration. It will stop the current iteration. Iteration is the number of times the loop gets executed. I will show you the meaning of an iteration and how it is done. See, for I in range of 5, print A, B, C. So in this loop, I'm going to print A, B, C 5 times, and after the loop, I've given a statement called thank you. First, I'll show you how this gets executed. So ABC, ABC, ABC 5 times because I've given that inside the loop. Now I'll show you how to use a break statement. I'm simply giving if I equal to 2 break. So what will happen? First time when I is 0, ABC gets printed. When I is 1, ABC gets printed. When I is 2, A and B gets printed. And when this condition I equal to 2 is checked, the loop will break. This C will never get executed, or the third time, fourth time, the loop will not executed. Simply thank you will get printed. See? ABC, ABC, the next time A, B, and when I check the condition, it will break the statement. Break the loop and come out and execute the line after the loop. That is the meaning. Now, in the same place, I give continue. Check what happens. What will happen here? For the first time, when I is 0, ABC gets printed. When I is 1, ABC gets printed. When I is 2, AB gets printed. When continue statement is encountered, it will stop here, leave the rest of the loop and continue to the next iteration. That is, I will become 3 and the control will go to the top of the loop. So this statement alone will not get executed and only for one time. That will continue. Then after that, the loop will continue normally. See? ABC, ABC, AB. This is when the continue statement gets executed. So C is skipped. It will skip the current iteration and continue with the remaining iterations. Okay. So that one important word, it will stop the current iteration and continue to the next iteration is what you have to write in the explanation. Thank you.